Unlocking the impact of frequencies. From EMFs to sound waves on health. Imagine invisible forces shaping your health. Frequencies, both as EMFs and sounds, play a crucial role. Let's dive deeper. Welcome to DRS Research. Frequency, in the context of health, refers to the measurement of vibrations per second and is often associated with various healing modalities. The relationship between frequency and health has been a topic of interest in alternative medicine and holistic healing practices. Proponents of these practices believe that specific frequencies can have a positive impact on the body's energy systems and overall well-being. Health concerns associated with EMF exposure, EMFs, or electromagnetic fields, surround us daily. These invisible energies come from anything electrically charged like power lines, electrical wiring, appliances, and wireless devices. There is ongoing research into the potential health effects of EMF exposure, particularly concerning critical illnesses. Our study suggests that long-term exposure to high levels of EMFs may be linked to an increased risk of certain health conditions, including cancer, neurological disorders, and reproductive issues. Now, switch to sound frequencies. These are vibrations in the air, measurable and impactful on our well-being. Sound frequencies can have both positive and negative effects on health. On one hand, music therapy has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and pain. On the other hand, prolonged exposure to high sound frequencies can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. Sound healing uses the principle of resonance to influence body frequencies through sounds that synchronize with body frequencies to stimulate healing. Music therapy. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nursing found that music therapy can significantly reduce anxiety and pain in patients undergoing medical procedures. Another study published in the Journal of Parkinson's Disease found that music therapy can help improve motor function in individuals with Parkinson's disease. Specific frequencies like 40 Hz have been shown to promote healing for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and chronic pain. The World Health Organization highlights a concerning truth. Exposure to EMFs is linked to numerous health issues, including cancer. DRS research, with the help of such findings, can say that there is a possible link between EMF exposure and certain types of cancer. Yes, at first, we must take such as childhood leukemia and brain tumors. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, has classified EMFs as possibly carcinogenic to humans based on limited evidence of a potential association with childhood leukemia. Secondly, neurological disorders. Exposure to EMFs has also been studied in relation to neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Thirdly, reproductive issues. EMF exposure has been investigated for its potential effects on reproductive health, including fertility issues and pregnancy outcomes. But it's not all grim. Frequencies have a healing side. Enter music therapy, leveraging sound for health benefits. The body's frequencies interact with environmental frequencies, with potential healing or weakening effects on well-being. However, there's a catch. Not all sound exposures are beneficial. Prolonged exposure to high sound frequencies can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. According to the National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders, NIDCD, approximately 15% of Americans between the ages of 20 and 69 have high-frequency hearing loss due to exposure to loud sounds. In conclusion, frequencies influence our health in complex ways. Balancing exposure is key to harnessing their power. There is a complex relationship between health and frequencies. It is important for individuals to be aware of exposure to potentially harmful frequencies and take steps to reduce their risk where possible. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you very much.